Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, Ask Me, and I'll try to answer. The information of this video are from Google search. Our topic today is how to change your payee name within your account. This question is for Pam's Versatile TV. Pams, this is the second answer of your question. I hope this will help. So this is the question of Pam's Versatile TV. Thank you for your question, Pams. Before I proceed to the steps, I would like to read this. According to Adsense, though our terms and conditions don't permit transfer to account ownership, Adsense do allow you to update your payee name, fix misspellings, or to make adjustment for your changes such as marriage, death, or company. Payee means a person to whom money is paid or is to be paid, especially the person to whom a check is made payable. So here are the steps to change your payee name within your account. Number 1, sign in to Adsense account. Number 2, in the left navigate panel, click Payments. Number 3, click Manage Settings. Number 4, in the Name and Address section, click Edit. Number 5, enter the payee name you'd like to use. Note, if you're updating the payee name of a business account, then the top line should be the business name, and the second line, the contract name for your business. Number 6, the last one, click Save. Note, your payee name change will take effect for the next possible payment cycle. Changes made before the 20th of the month typically affects the current month's payment, while changes made after the 20th won't take effect until the next month's payment cycle. For more inquiries, please contact Google support team. Just go to Google search and type Google support team, and this will pop up, and you can describe your issue in this page. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.